Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I saw this case on Amazon. It looked pretty interesting. It has some nice features. We're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the HYAIZLZ. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce that, but I gave it a shot. Hopefully it's not wrong. Compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Camera protection built in. Supports wireless charging. Super thin silicone shockproof protective case. All right. You got the black and clear version right there. It's $14.99. You got a coupon as well, 5% if you use that. Few pictures there. Got that built-in camera protection. That's pretty nice. And it's soft silicone. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the package right here. Pretty nice package. Interesting. It's hard plastic, fashion case. Show your perfect self. Not much in writing in terms of that. Best protection, they say. Now getting this out. Okay, so I got the tape loose. It had tape on both sides. I just peeled to one side, so pull this out. Take out the case. It's got a little foam inside. And it also comes with a screen protector. It's tempered glass as well, all right? So we might use that, but that's pretty cool if they sent that. So the price is right if you get tempered glass screen protector in there. So that's pretty cool. Now this is the case. It's soft, and it's got this nice shiny band. It's kind of smoke gray, but you got your camera protection right there, all right? That's built in. You can see that. So that's pretty cool. You got your mute switch right there, volume down rocker. And you got your opening for your charging port and your speaker grills right there. Lanyard opening on the side, and you got your power button right there, right? Fairly slim case, and it's not too sharp on the corners, so that's nice. And we'll see how this fits on the 12 Pro Max, all right? Okay, here's the 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and put this inside, see how it looks. All right, so it fits nice and thin, and it doesn't feel as sharp as some of the other cases I've used. Now, the front lip, you got a lip on the front, so you do have a lip there, but it's very slim. But I think it's integrated in it pretty well. I like the way this fits, and so you still have some protection there all around. Okay, and the camera, of course, is protected because you got the lens protection right there on the back. Hopefully, that doesn't smear the camera or anything like that. Everything lines up on the bottom. You can see your charging port and all that stuff lines up. And you can get to the mute switch there, no problem. Pretty cool right there. And you got your volume down rocker and the power button right there. So everything fits good, and it's a nice looking case. I like this. All right, so I'll be using this some as well because I like slim cases, and it feels good, nice and sticky as well, not slippery. All right, now let me see how this camera looks with this thing on it. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so doesn't look too bad, right? You see, doesn't look like a smudge or anything. And I'm on this. You got to look at, you're looking at with 2 cameras there, so it looks pretty good. I don't see any smearing or anything or any degradation in the camera look there, so that's pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and check out wireless charge, see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so it picked up wireless charge. You can see that right there. Let's stand it up and see what happens. All right, so still picked up wireless charge. Let's lay it down and see what happens then. All right, so it picked up wireless charge there as well. All right, so it charged pretty good. Okay, which I didn't think it was gonna have a problem because it's a pretty slim case. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's got a built-in camera protection, glass camera protection, and it comes with a screen protector, tempered glass. All right, so that's pretty good for 15 bucks. All right, and you get a coupon. Okay, so nice and thin, slim. It's got good grip because it's sticky. Nice looking case. Okay, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.